Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer content to LinkedIn articles with canonical tips, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a LinkedIn account if you don't have one. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn homepage. Locate the Write an Article option. Click on it to open the LinkedIn article editor. Begin by selecting a relevant topic for your article. Draft a compelling title that captures your audience's attention. In the main body, start transferring your content. Break your content into clear, concise paragraphs for readability. Use headings to improve organization within your article. Incorporate engaging visuals, such as images or infographics. Ensure that all images are relevant and add value to your content. Include links to credible sources to enhance your article's authority. Add a canonical tag if you are republishing existing content. This tag helps search engines understand the original source of your content. Review your article for spelling and grammatical errors. Consider using tools like Grammarly for additional proofreading. Once satisfied, preview your article to see how it appears to readers. Make any final adjustments before publishing. Finally, click the Publish button to share your article with your network. Monitor the engagement on your article through likes, comments, and shares. Respond to audience feedback to foster community interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.